But anyway, first I'd like to congratulate the CEO, Engineer Lardy Zaval, Indo. So congratulations po sa CEO on this wonderful project. And thank you on behalf of Jongsan, sa team po namin, for letting Jongsan be a for allowing Jongsan to be part of such a wonderful project. And thank you, syempre, to the local government of Baguio, city government led by Mayor Magalong, and all our honorable officials here in the persons of our councilors. My colleagues in the Baguio Tourism Council, Ma'am Gladys, Sir Alec, maraming salamat for being here and expressing support. Salamat din dun sa team ng Jongsan for helping fulfill our side of the project for CEO. Ma'am Jen, Ma'am Leia, congratulations po sa inyo and the rest of your team. And syempre, I'd like to take this opportunity to name the artists who really led the project. Ma'am Kunaya Lopez, hindi siya amin binili ito, promise. Anjanelle Moena, Ma'am Zel Fermin, and the rest of your community. Maraming salamat sa napakaganda ninyong trabaho. You know, what a lot of people don't know is that this all began as a very casual conversation over coffee with the now famous Benazir Martinez, who is now spreading her wings in the States. She started this project as a conversation. Naghahanap lang po siya ng canvas para sa kanyang trabaho. And she brought the rest of her artist friends, including Miss Kunaya, to work on this over 3 years ago. And then, tamang-tama, ina-adapt po sa amin ni Attorney Diwas itong Plaza Garden. So everything came together. And what we arrived at, what we came up with, I believe, was something very special because it was a collaboration of very sincere intentions. And salamat naman po at napansin ito ng city government natin. It actually got on your radar. And now, I think we started something very nice. So, Ma'am Kunaya, again, what started as a very simple intention to express art now has become what I think is a continuation of the narrative of art and creativity that is not only Carantes but is Baguio City. So again, maraming salamat. Thank you very much for all the support. Sir Mayor, maraming salamat.